Did you find out why my car won't start?
Yeah, seems like the starter is shot. Big job. Will take us a week to get it fixed.
Really? It is only a year or two out of warranty. The car isn't very old.
Happens all the time. If you sign here, we can get started.
$2,100? I better play it safe and ask a LifeVize advisor. It's worth $10 to $20 to save hundreds or thousands.
Vinny, you putting that in there? Oh, well, it's underneath so they won't see it. I would act fast, ma'am. Our schedule is filling up.
Oh, great. I'm connected to an advisor on the app.
Vinny, just spray paint it. I don't know. Make it look nicer. Sorry, ma'am. Please sign here.
So my LifeVize advisor is telling me that if the car is starting after jump starts, it might just be a bad battery. Did you test the battery?
Okay, we can look into that. But we always try to find the most profitable, safest solution, ma'am.
Do you want me to ask my LifeVize advisor to find me another shop?
No, let me go test that battery, ma'am.